So another interesting thing about Platform is the way they have solicited or elicited community support. And I'm going to let Lawrence talk about that because they have a website, HPC Community, and .org, is it? .org, HPCcommunity.org, where they have open source software available and community discussions and input on the software, and then that input and what they learn from that website is then used as one of the basis for their professional software. So I'm going to get Lawrence to explain that because I probably didn't explain it the best way I could have.
Thanks, Dan. So HPCCommunity.org is platform computing open source initiative, and one of the first project that we put out there was Project Kusu. So that is the foundation layer for this dynamic cluster management. Right, and from Project Kusu, that's where we built upon the Platform Cluster Manager, which is our commercial offering, and layering on other components to make it a dynamic infrastructure, or like what you mentioned, a Cluster 3.0. So since we started community in March of 2008, I would say it has grown steadily, and today we have roughly in a range of about 600 registered members that actually participates in the forum, and of course visit the various articles that we put out.
What I'm intrigued at is that you're able to take what you learn from there and integrate it into your professional product. Is that how it works?
Well, as in all community projects, you need to put something of value out there first before you get people starting to use and therefore provide feedback. So we had to put Project Kusu out for like probably over a year and a half before we started to have people saying, oh, okay, this is missing, or we would like to see this in the code, and so on and so forth, right? So today we know of several other projects that is based off Project Kusu.
I think that's a great model because it's almost in a way it's one big focus group telling you how to make your products better or what people are looking for in your products, and it's a great model, and I think the community benefits and gets things. One quick question. You told me this one time. What is Kusu?
Well, Kusu is actually the name of an island in Singapore. The team is based out of Singapore in Southeast Asia. So we selected a local name, and that's a small little island just south of Singapore.
And there's something about a turtle.
So the legend is that there was Chinese and Malay sailors that got stranded, and it was a turtle that saved them and brought them to that island. And on that island today, there's really a Chinese temple and a Muslim, Malay mosque. So people actually go there on an annual pilgrimage to pay homage.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that.